Oh, hello. Today it is -8 and it's snowing. The wind is blowing. We're here at the creek again. I'm up here. Take a look at the bridge. And there's the bridge. And I got to get this thing straight. Okay. Oh, there's a bunny over here if you can see it. There's a bunny. Can you see the bunny? Oh, the bunny's running. Anyway, there's the creek. You can see the creek. And I wanted to get a different angle. Now the tripod doesn't like the snow, so trying to get it to be more stable. There. I've got a shirt, a coat, a hat, and everything is just going right through me. It's very cold. -8 Fahrenheit might be -25 Celsius. And it is very cold out right now. So what I'm gonna do something unusual. Yeah, I'm teaching class outside, like that isn't unusual. During a snowstorm with the wind blowing, there are only a few letters that we use in our basic class that have the letters J or K. This is jam. Jam. No, I know the answer. And I'm hoping these words aren't getting backwards. But that's a key used to get in your house. This is a knife you use in the kitchen. Jump. We're gonna jump because it's fun to jump, but it also helps us stay warm. As soon as we're done, it is just too cold outside. Jeans. Do you like to wear jeans? And I think that's it for our vocabulary words. Put them away. So anyway, today's Monday. It is still brutally cold, but I want to show you just how beautiful it is here in Colorado. I just wanted to take a look. We're going to walk out across the bridge, and I want you to see the creek here so that you can see just how beautiful it is. We were at the other side looking to the north. What we're looking right now is to the south. So we filmed from the other direction, and now we got across the bridge, and I just want you to see just what it looks like. I hope you can see the snow falling. It's falling at an angle because the wind is blowing. It is colder today than it was when I filmed last time. Anyway, so we're almost done with our class today. As always, please like and share the videos. I appreciate all my students, teachers trying to make these classes interesting, trying to find ways to make our class fun. Also, everyone can participate. No one is left out. And please remember, it's okay to make a mistake in English class. Anyway, I just want you to know that I appreciate every one of you students. And you can always leave questions and comments. So, what normally here in America, people like to eat jam and jelly. They put it on bread, jam, jelly, J. And what we have is, we have an amazing place here in Colorado. Yes, my face is getting red. Yes, I will leave as soon as class is over. I promise. I'm going back inside. I'm going to have some coffee. Teachers love to drink coffee. Anyway, I'll go get some coffee. I'm going to warm up. I've already had something to eat, so I ate before I came out here. And I just want you to know that I'm out here in the cold because I want you to enjoy your class. So I want you to put in comments, what do you eat for breakfast? Do you eat eggs? Do you eat bread? Do you drink juice? Do you drink coffee? Do you have jam or jelly with your bread? I just want you to know that teacher does eat breakfast. And when we're talking about nutrition and staying healthy, it's very important to eat breakfast. Breakfast is